Hey folks, three questions. Do you live in Hyderabad? Are you confused about your long weekend trip? And three, do you like long road trips? If you answer yes to any two of these questions at least, then this video is for you. Keep watching.
Hey guys, so we have started our exciting road trip from Hyderabad to Pune, and as you guys know that Pune is too beautiful during the monsoons, and it is the long weekend of 15th August that we have planned to go to Pune. So we'll be going there, we'll be going to Lonavala, Kamshet, Tamini Ghat, and all those famous points that are nearby to Pune. And yeah, let's see how our trip goes. After continuing for about 23 kilometers in Nehru Outer Ring Road, we have taken an exit towards Mumbai, and we'll be continuing in this road, in this highway, for about 124 kilometers. This is National Highway 65. तो अब हमें ऑलमोस्ट 3 आवर्स होने वाले हैं कंटिन्यूस ड्राइव करते हुए, एंड नाउ वी आर थिंकिंग टू टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. वील सी सम गुड रेस्टोरेंट नियर बाय एंड वील हैव सम टी and then continue our journey. By the way, the road is so good so far. The highway is maintained well, but there is a lot of traffic, I guess, because of the long weekend that is there. But overall, I think we have covered about 180 kilometers in 2.5 hours. So I think that's decent for Indian highways. So after a quick tea break, now we have started our journey again, and it's still around 400 kilometers that we have to travel, and we are hoping to cover this distance in about 6 to 7 hours. So here we go. So guys, we have finally reached our stay, and it has been a really tiring road trip, but we enjoyed a lot. We took multiple small breaks throughout the journey, and now finally we have reached here. The place looks really amazing. There's a lake nearby. We'll just show it to you. And yeah, once we check in, we'll show you the property, and we get started from there. तो हमारा स्वागत हुआ है इससे, तो आइए देखते हैं कैसा है हमारा एयरबीएनबी स्टे. Jamshed, and today I'll be taking you to few places nearby the area, such as waterfalls, few treks, and a fort. And I'll show you which ones are the best and the views from there, so you can plan your trip accordingly. So let's go. So here our trip begins. रास्ते में हमें पावना लेक मिली, तो ये जस्ट स्टॉप हियर फॉर अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. तो आइए आपको दिखाते हैं कैसी है पावना लेक. After this, we made a stop at Palse Waterfall, and this is a great place to hang out with if you like waterfalls but don't want to go on treks. You'll find this place in Kamini Ghat, and as the approach is very easy to this waterfall, you'll find lots of crowd. So after chilling for about 30 minutes, we went straight to the main Kamini waterfall. And we were sort of disappointed because the waterfall the waterfall was not the way we expected. Hence, we also recommend you guys to check the weather of this place before going here. And if it's raining, then only I would suggest you to go here. But yeah, I'll have to agree that the view from this place was really breathtaking. तो इसके बाद हम लोग सीधा गए देवकुंड वाटरफॉल ट्रैक की ओर. तो ये रहा अपना देवकुंड वाटरफॉल. तो अब गाड़ी पार्क करके हम लोग जा रहे हैं सीधा टिकट्स लेने, और पर पर्सन टिकट प्राइस है 150 रुपीज़.
हे गाइस, तो हम लोगों ने ट्रैक स्टार्ट कर दिया है. अभी तो ट्रैक काफ़ी इजी लग रहा है, एंड टोटल 6 किलोमीटर्स वन साइड का ट्रैक है. एंड जो कि हमें यहाँ गाइड भैया लोगों ने बताया कि अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 से 2 घंटा लगता है वहाँ पहुँचने में, और 5 बजे बंद हो जाता है. तो अभी बज रहा है 3. हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि हम जल्दी से जल्दी वहाँ पहुँचें, एंड वहाँ देखते हैं कैसा है. कम ऑन.
बिगिनिंग में तो चढ़ाई काफ़ी इजी है, आपको हर तरफ जंगल तो देखने को मिलेगा, बट इट इज़ कंपैरेटिवली ईजियर.
How's the Josh?
Yo, the trek is very easy, guys. It's been 30 minutes that we have been walking, और अभी तक कहीं पर भी हमें ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ट्रैक डिफिकल्ट है. You'll easily be able to do it. Trust me. Come on.
Look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. Breathtaking.
आपको पूरे रास्ते में ऐसी छोटी छोटी शॉप्स मिलती रहेंगी, अगर चाय या फिर पानी वगैरह स्नैक्स कुछ आपको लेना हो तो. और ये आ चुका है सेकंड ब्रिज, जो कि है वुडन ब्रिज. इसके बाद एक और ब्रिज आना बाकी है अभी, जो कि आयरन ब्रिज है. उसके बाद वाटरफॉल आ जाएगा. And now we have reached this hanging bridge.
Almost about to be.
तो हैंगिंग ब्रिज के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम अभी भी बाउंस कर रहे हैं. But it was a interesting and exciting thing. तो जो असली डिफ़िकल्ट ट्रैक स्टार्ट होता है वो है आयरन ब्रिज के बाद. उसके बाद कंटिन्यूस अपहिल है. नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट बट इट्स मॉडरेट नाउ. So guys, it took us 1 hour 15 minutes to complete this trek, and trust me, it's not very difficult, but last 15 or 20 minutes of this trek are a little difficult because it's a very steep hill, very steep incline, and waterfall is just before me. So come on, let's see how's the waterfall. So we have reached Devkund waterfall and it's really beautiful. I mean, look at this beauty. So after spending about an hour, we went back and called it a day. So it's day 2 and there are places like beautiful Kondeshwar temple and Bhushi Dam which we are going to explore. So Kondeshwar temple is situated in Karjat and is surrounded by these beautiful green mountains and amazing waterfalls. The place has this amusing charm and you'll find amazing peace by just chilling in the vicinity of this temple. You can either chill in the waterfalls or just sit inside the temple and enjoy the lush green mountains. I would also highly recommend that you visit Karla Caves, which are situated in the Sayadri Hills and are nearby to Lonavala, because here you'll be seeing how amazingly talented our ancestors were. Bhushi Dam is another place where you can enjoy in the lap of nature. लोनावला, कामशेत और इसके आसपास की सारी जगह वैसे तो आप साल भर कभी भी घूमने के लिए जा सकते हैं, बट मॉनसून में जो इनका मज़ा है वो कुछ अलग ही है. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.